Hi everybody, it's Deb from DnDArtGallery. Today I have an 18 by 18 staple backed canvas. I'm going to do a dirty, just a straight dirty cut pour, and I'm trying to get pearl cells today. So I'll go over my paint and explain to you everything. My base coat that I've already put all over my canvas is called navy blue, and I've also added about a teaspoon of the Dutch Boy satin, or excuse me, acrylic enamel white to that. My next color is called Coastal Turquoise, and I will show you consistency. It does leave a little mound and then disappears. And again, I did add about a teaspoon of the satin enamel to that. My next color is the DecoArt Satin Enamel True Teal, and I have added about 50% white and about 50% of that satin enamel together for that color. My next color is the Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet. And I did not add any satin enamel to that color. My next color is the DecoArt Extreme Sheen Copper, and again, no enamel in that one. And my last color is the FolkArt Pearl White Metallic, and I did add maybe a half a teaspoon of that enamel to that paint. So let's get started. Oh, my pouring medium today was about 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. I did add GAC 800 to all my paints, except for the copper and the FolkArt Pearl White. It was more of a 1-to-1 Floetrol to paint ratio. I wanted to leave those a little bit thicker. No silicone though is added. And I'm hoping that you can see me mix my paints here. I've shoved my canvas up as far as I can on my table here. So let's get started. And I'm just going to pour right into the measuring cup here. I haven't done a pour where I've tried to get these pearl cells in a while, and I think it's fun to do. I'll have to show you this cup when I'm done pouring the paints in. I just love this purple color. I'm not sure at this point if any of this white is actually going to show through, but if anything, it'll add to, hopefully add to some sparkliness of the painting. And the rest of the copper. Okay. See, there's things going on in that cup. Okay, move my canvas back. And I'm just going to check real quick to make sure you can still see it pretty well. Looks pretty good. And I will start pouring. Okay. I will give it a little torch. And I will start tipping. I really do like that copper down there, and I'm hoping I can save some of that. Just going to bring it back now. I'll do tip over here. Bring that back. Okay, I'll tip over here a little now. Bring it back. Just going to tip down here a little bit. And bring that back. I'm just loving that copper, and I don't want to lose any of it. It's so pretty. Okay, I'm just going to take a look at this here. I'm going to torch again. Going to tip a little bit more this way. Then bring it back. Okay, take another look here. I just think this is beautiful. The copper is just amazing in this painting. And this white did come up. Beautiful. I'm amazed at this. I'll torch again. Very, very happy with the outcome of this. I have left a little bit of negative space in a couple of the corners, but that's fine. Okay, I'm going to check those corners and clean underneath here. And I'm going to get you down for a close-up. Clean off the bottom here. Okay. Let's get you down for a close-up. Okay, we have the upper left-hand corner. Hopefully you can just see the brilliance of this copper here. The copper and the white, so pretty. In there. A little bit of the purple coming through, a little bit of lacing there. There's some of the cells popping up, pearl cells. And in here, and the longer I leave this sit, the more of those cells are going to pop up. And a bunch of copper cells here with the blue, very pretty. I like that right up there too, all those cells popping up. This is the upper right hand corner. Very pretty in there too. And the lower right hand corner. Okay, let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Share, subscribe if you haven't. Make sure to hit the bell and choose all so you know the next time that I do post a new video. Thanks for watching and spending time with me today, everybody. Until next time, take care. Bye.